Guide you through how to create Mailchimp email templates using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab at the left-hand menu of the page. From there, click on Email Templates. You'll see a button that says Create Template. Click on that. Mailchimp offers three main options for creating a template: create from scratch, or choose a themes, and code your own. For most users, selecting Start from Scratch is a great starting point, as it provides several pre-designed structures to choose from. Once you select a layout, you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you can click and drag different elements like text blocks, images, and buttons into your email. You can customize each block by clicking on it and using the options on the right panel to change fonts, colors, and styles. If you want to add more sections, just drag them from the left toolbox. It's important to use the preview option to see how your email will look on different devices. Click Preview at the top right of the editor to toggle between desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save and Exit in the top right corner. Give your template a unique name so you can easily find it later. Now your template is ready to be used in future campaigns. You can access it anytime by going back to the Email Templates section. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.